The Monkey Blocks update is finally out. Go see. Let's read it. Monkey Blocks are back for good. Explore the new artificial space in the back of a nice gorilla store and start building. Grab Dragon's Armor bundle to shrink down and guard your castle's forts and more. Oh god, I'm excited. The lead. I wonder if are they just gonna keep let me in the code, please. First of all, oh, this looks nice. I'm gonna just mute it. Let's see. Corn. Yummy. I like corn. Hold up. Okay. Oh, they barricaded that. Now you can't see anything of it. Okay, let's check out the store. Whoa. This is a dragon? Oh my god. There. Fall Flash, it's not even here. So, Brave Builder. Yeah, so, this is already here. Though, this is the new one. So, we'll try off this. Is this a gun? Wait. Oh, it is. Sword. Shield. New party hat. Oh! Yucky. But I still need to cop that. What is this? Oh! This is cool. So you can buy bundles with shiny rocks. Okay, let's try on the cosmetics. So we got a broken Kona hat or something. An air pit here. This is so goofy. Then we got just this. Just like this it. Do I have to try on I don't know what to do with it. Oh, is it like a? I do not know. The badge, free badge, nice. Oh, I just put on like 5 things. A party hat. Not party hat, but it kind of is. And we got a shield. Really small shield. But it does, wait. Hold on. If I grab this. Then we got a sword. And then if I grab this. We got, I really don't know what, it's a hat. Chainmail armor. We got this crossbow. Oh, you have to. This is sick. You have to go. That's fun. Then we got the unicorn. No, it's not really a unicorn, but whatever. Then the one that, the cool, sick one. Go, bro. Okay, I'll try that again. Go fly. No. Go fly. Go fly. Oh god. Okay, so those are all the cosmetics. Now for the main part. Monkey Blocks re-update. Which way should I go? Blue. Okay, low sleep. The same way. Ooh, this is cool. Okay, so glitch out cosmetics, nice. Got the. Okay, so find like Monkey Blocks. Coming soon. Is it not out yet? Oh my god. This is sick. Oh, this is actually sick. Oh my god. Wait. What Bro. That turned me small. like this. Oh. Gonna be small. Oh no. Yeah, so that's okay. Let's get the building. Let me get that. Let's see. I'm gonna grab this. Give me that. Let's put that here. I'm gonna make a little house. I'll speedrun making a house. Where's? You know, I need a tree. Give me a tree. What the? Yeah, I don't mind if I do. I will take these. Yeah. Minecraft. Okay, where's a tree? Give me a tree. That tree I'll be taking. I'll be taking this tree, and I'll be taking this. Because why not? Put this right here. Stay. Go. But oh my god, this is so goofy. Stay. Now this, you go. But bro, I think I need a bigger one. Okay. Well, I need another platform. Don't know what this is. It's like I don't know. Recycle. Wait, so if I just go. What do I need? Oh, slide? No way. Fence? No. I just need a platform. Like this, yeah. Okay, I just need one more of those. Okay, so let's grab. No. Can you not do this anymore? Like what? But that's my house. Just W house. Oh, I'm right next to my door. That's whatever. Let's go. Where's my house at? Here's my house. Then the not working rope. You can just. What? Oh god. Well, I'm a W scaler. What the? What the heck? Ooh. Wait, where else am I going? You just go. Yay! We're back in there, so. Yeah, that's pretty sure that's. They got a nice chair. Guardian's still here. I don't know why. And there's these stuff. Anything back here? Probably aren't, but we can see. I'm trying to find Easter eggs or something. Well, I'm pretty sure that should be everything in the update. Unless I'm missing something. See, oh yeah! The bundle. Let me try that out. Bundle. Whoa. So, got a weird all. Okay. This is kind of cool. Yeah. I feel like this would be a good sweat cosmetic. I don't know why. It just feels like it. Okay. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe because I haven't gained 10 subscribers in 3 months. I know, it's crazy. It's because me, I don't post in a while. So, yeah. Please like and subscribe or just like. Yeah, well, bye.